So let's move now to the second exercise, which is the lateral plane.
それでは2つ目のエクササイズ、横への運動へ移っていきましょう。
So we have now done the frontal plane, and we are now moving to the lateral plane or sway plane. Again, let's visualize the two spheres, upper body, lower body. And now create a counter rotation in a lateral manner. Once again, as I said before, do not try to guess now how you're going to apply this exercise and this movement to your dancing. It will come in naturally, and it will not look as strange as it does when you're practicing it at a separate exercise. So once again, we are centering our weight position. We are feeling the weight going through our hips. And we are now creating a lateral movement. Again, we are allowing the joints to be free. We are not using the muscles to create these movements. We are flowing the movement through our joints.
関節を自由な状態にし、
As you can see, my weight is not shifting as I do these movements. The weight stays centered. When you practice this, it is good for you to practice in front of a mirror, looking at yourself straight in your eyes, so that the head does not change position as you do it. So, frontal plane, lateral plane.
横への運動。
Now let's talk about rotation. Generally, rotation is also used over one movement only. Now, to simplify things, at the moment, I will give you a very easy exercise you can practice for rotation, which will only relate to our shoulders. Now, if I try to rotate my shoulders in this manner, I am actually turning the whole body, the trunk of my body, my spine, everything's turning in one piece, and this is no good. So now I visualize two spheres, one of my right shoulder, one of my left shoulder. And they also now create a counter rotation. The shoulders and shoulder blades are now counter rotating in order to keep the balance still. Okay, now just to give you an idea of the result of this, if I chose to do a promenade position, and therefore I now applied frontal plane, lateral plane,
横への運動。
and the rotary plane. This would create a very acceptable promenade position. Nothing strange about it. Why? Because I'm now starting to combine three planes of movement. Please do not worry if you don't yet understand fully the exercises. In a very short while, all my team will join me to show you the exercises. But before that, one more movement, which is very important. And this is related to our hip joints. So I now would like you to visualize one sphere on your right hip joint and one sphere on your left hip joint. Generally, the tendency is to rotate both in the same direction. Of course, it's very clear now to see how much side load I have. The same goes for the backwards movement. Now, if I want to truly have a free leg able to swing in my movement, I need to feel the counter rotation in my hip joints too. So I'm now going to create a counter rotation through my hips. If I show you now this movement sideways, the non-correct movement would be something like this.
間違った。
The correct movement would allow me to keep my vertical weight fall. The same if I move backwards, it would allow me to keep a vertical weight fall. So now you can see my free leg is swinging, but my balance is not affected. Once you manage to master one sphere, two spheres, three spheres, 4, 5, and 6, You can now start to move your body in a very fluid way without affecting your balance position unless you wish to. With a true balance, you will be able to be stronger, more powerful, more free, and this will give you the total freedom of expression in relationship to music. But now let's bring in my team of friends and great dancers, which will present for you these exercises once again. First exercise will be frontal plane. Second exercise, lateral plane. Third exercise, counter rotation of shoulders. And the fourth exercise, counter rotation of hips. Okay, let's settle the weight, please. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and thank you very much. And relax. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's now move to the second exercise, please. Are we ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and thank you very much. Relax. Once again, we will try the same exercise with music.
Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's move on to the third exercise, please. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Thank you very much. And relax.
Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We are now moving to the final exercise.
最後のエクササイズに移りましょう。
Let's settle the weight on one foot, please. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Thank you very much. Back to central position. Over to the other foot. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you very much. Back to central position, relax. We're now going to try the exercise with music.
Five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.